Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Spiceasoul, and today we are doing a hair video. As you can tell, your girl got a new do. How are y'all liking it? If you like it, I love it. Love this hairstyle. Like, it's giving girl next door. So I put my wig on or whatever, because we just gonna get right into it.
Oh my god, y'all, this is my first voiceover ever, so bear with me. Like I said, I already put my wig on and I just have my wig band so I can melt down the glue. But now I'm gonna take it off so I can examine it and just see like what the lace is looking like. Fluffing my hair out. Oh my god, my voiceover. So yeah, I'm fluffing my hair out and I'm going in with my lace mousse tint. I'm just gonna put that on, you know, around my edges or whatever, and give it that more like natural look, like and that's what I really like about lace tint. Like, you can't really tell, like, it just blends in so well. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go in and clip my hair, put it up so I can put my band back on and let the lace tint marinate. I'm going in parting my hair. I don't ever really like, not to say I don't ever really part my hair, but I'm going in parting my hair, and it was kind of pointless for me to do that because even with the bangs, you can even tell that I had a part. Like, I don't know, but I just went off the INSPO with the girl. So yeah, so now I'm putting some serum in my hair so it doesn't look all dry at the top.
Oh, you ain't trained on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wing.
I'm gonna use my hot comb and melt it all down, give it a more flat look. So I'm gonna go through my whole head with the hot comb and just try to get everything like as straight and as laid as possible, even though I'm gonna have curls. So yeah. Now we're gonna go in. I pulled out some hair so I can cut out the bangs. I just like combed it out at the front. I tried to give it like a little thin look, but I wanted it to still be like a little bit thicker. So I went back and grabbed some more, and you know, I'm not a professional, so we just doing it. Like, we literally just doing it. So y'all can see the little itty bitty part that I had, but it don't even matter. I started bringing it down to my nose, cutting right at the nose, and that was the perfect length for me. Like, it wasn't too long, it wasn't too short. Actually, it might have been a little bit too long, but I do go back in and like fix it a little bit more, you know. So now I'm like trying to do that layered effect, like just give my hair some layers so it's not all just one side. So I just go in, cutting one side. I actually did that side pretty good. The other side was kind of hard because the way I was like trying to bend my arm to get it to go on that side, you can see me cutting it. But yeah, the way you can see me trying to get this perfect like little angle was a little hard, but you know, we did what we had to do. And at the end, it did come all together, but you know, I fixed it a couple times because you can obviously see that one was shorter than the other. Now I go in and cut the ends of it and just getting the ends a little bit more layered, so when I do curl my hair, all of it is just coming together. But you can still see like one side is a little bit, I mean, it's layered, like you can tell it's layered. Once you go in and start cutting, you don't want to cut too much off because you can take hair away, but you can't put it back. So I didn't want to cut too much, and like once I start curling, then I'll figure out what needs to be cut. So now I'm going in, curling my little bangs. I don't know why I used this wand. I think maybe because from the inspiration, the girl used the wand or a curling iron or whatever, but yeah, that was not okay.
We were checking cars.
So now I'm just going in, trimming it a little bit more because it was a little bit too long, and just brushing it out so I can get ready to start curling it. And yeah, so we're just gonna start curling it. But yeah, like I was saying, yeah, I don't know why I used the 1-inch curling iron because the girl, maybe because the girl did it. Yeah, like I said, the girl did it, so I probably did it, but not for the bang. You don't want to use not no 1 inch because look how it curled. Like, it curled like going inwards, and it's, I mean, we are doing a 70's do because it is a 70's hairstyle, so that would be something that they would rock, but we still wanted to make it, you know, Gen Z-ish. We still want to make it, you know, 2024 type of look, but with the makeup style and all that is all gonna come together. I don't want cages, stay in the cage. I free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation.
Oh, y'all think Lil yet retarded. Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't.
You see how much hair I cut off? Like, that's why I was like, you can take hair away, but you can't put it back. All that hair that I cut off. So now I'm just going in, fixing in my my lace, making sure that it's all blended right. The lace tint did give it a good blend, but I was really just trying to blend my makeup back in because I didn't want my makeup to look all blotchy at the top. Even though you barely will be able to see it, but I can see it, so now I'm just going on with my Y2 comb, combing it out because I love a comb out curl. Like, that's just me. And yeah, since I didn't like the way my 1-inch curled my bang, I'm just going to use the purple little small curling iron that I have just to go in with it. And it doesn't have a temperature on it. That's the only thing I don't like, but it still did the job, you know. It did the job. I really should have went in with my hot comb and like laid my bang down a little bit flatter, but you know, it is a 70s look, so I did kind of wanted it to look a little poofy, and that's what it gave. As I'm trimming it a little bit, I'm just making sure that it's giving what it's supposed to give, because we don't want these, you know, big Nicki Minaj bangs. We want more of the 70s bang, like, oh, I can take you meet my mama type stuff. Yeah, like, I can come meet your mama, like, that's what these bangs are getting. But yeah, just fixing it up.
You love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey. 4S13 stepping on shit to this pride. You brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it.
Now I'm just going in, curling a few front pieces at the front so our curls don't look too flat. I should have just let them cool off. Like, actually I did that later on when I wasn't recording, but I should have let them cool off and let the curls sit before I went in with the Y2 comb and combed it out. But you know, it is what it is. It still came out a little cute. And yeah, so I'm just fixing that up before I comb it out.
They taking their time. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Now I'm just like fringing it out, trying to give it some definition. And now I'm just looking at all the little styles that I can, you know, do a little flip over, like, ow!
None of them died. Pussy.
And now I'm taking pictures because I was like, this is so different. I really love this look. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me doing my hair. And thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Period.
Let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass. He got hit in the head before. Ops get undivided attention. I give them my